Hey guys, back with another video here, and this is day 6 of Christmas vacuuming. Yep, already. It's already day 6. Time flies by, but yet again we have that. I think you could say it for yourself. Um, Actually, no, I'll just say it. Pistol Powerful Helix Turbo. Once again, uh, Largemouth Vacuums really loves this machine. He's in love with it. So, Pistol Powerful Helix Turbo, Model 68C71 Christmas Vacuuming. So, anyways, let's get to it. Here we go. there you have it for the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo Model 68C71. Yeah, it's about to rain here. That's why you hear all this wind and thunder and all that stuff. I don't know if the microphone picks it up, but there is thunder. It's far in the distance though, but it's coming for us. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold too. So, anyways, that's the end of the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo Model 68C71. That completes day 6 of Christmas vacuuming. And tomorrow, for the final day, day 7, the final day, I will be picking which vacuum. I'll be picking it. So it's like a special. It's like a special. So tomorrow I will be picking, and it's a vacuum I've only done one video on. And leave your guess in the comments if you can guess what it is. But anyways, that's the end right here of the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo Model 68C71. Like I said, I will be picking for tomorrow for the final day, which is day 7. So that ends it right here for day 6 Christmas vacuuming. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn on notifications. Turn on notifications if oh my lord, turn on notifications so you won't miss out another video whenever another video goes out. So anyways, subscribe to the channel if you want a cookie. If you want a cookie, subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out a new video every video that comes out. So that's the end right here. And do I have anything else to say? Let's see. Nope. So till next time, guys. Peace.